Hi
May
guys.
mga nagtatrabaho pa ba dyan?
Happy Friday.
Happy
Friday.
Friday.
Happy weekend na. Yeah, guys, comment naman kayo sa chat natin sa comment section. Tagasan kayo or where you from sa kayo
Kilala pa
nanonood.
natin itong mga to.
Chat nyo naman guys.
Uy, si Yani. How are you?
Uy,
Nakatakbo
nanonood
ka
si
na ba?
Joshua Licafrente. Hello.
Nakapag-jogging ka na ba? Okay. Sana hindi siya nakasama dun sa ano natin, no? Camp.
Dami nga nagtatanong eh. Yeah, well, definitely. Kung gusto nyo makasama sa mga gala-gala guys, nakalagay yung link sa Learning Clark sa comment section. Mag-sign up kayo doon para pwede namin kayo pa-invite. Sign up kayo sa newsletter ng PBS.
Hmm.
Yan. Hello,
Ba't ano,
Kalian.
walang power at internet? Yo, kaso
Oo.
hindi ko mabigkas yung
Ito, Japanese ba ito? Kung sino man
from
nagsabi ng
Cebu.
yo, from
Uy,
Cebu.
galing lang ako sa Cebu. As in, last weekend. Kalangoy ko yung butanding tsaka ano yun? Pawikan, pawikan.
Ano yan. Diving siya doon. What's
Oo,
up mga bisdak?
plus canyoneering
Mahayong,
pa.
mahayong gabi. Basta, diba?
Good
Sa
evening
Cebu,
from Rizal.
one on.
Kamusta ang ating mga businesses dyan? Hopefully hindi kayo na-affect ng malakas na bagyo. Actually, may nag-post sa atin recently doon sa group with what happened dun sa kanilang business. Talagang
Hmm.
inagos talaga. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng
Sang area Bicol?
Bicol region. Di ba siya ikaw rin from Bicol? Kamusta yung family mo doon?
Yeah, buti na lang yung family namin. Buti na lang yung family namin nasa area, higher land area. Hindi naman inabutan ng baha, pero yung surrounding area, yun, lubog sa baha talaga.
Hmm,
Yeah.
nakapag ano
Really
naman sila,
devastating, kawawa. Hanggang ngayon, yung ibang,
nag-evacuate ba sila? Or hindi na
yung
kailangan?
family ko, hindi naman nila kailangan ng evacuate kasi they're in a good place naman doon sa Bicol. Pero yun yan, yung mga nasa baba, lower areas, grabe, dami
Un-
nasira. Even mga malls,
Unexpected daw
pinasok
kasi
ng
talaga
tubig.
eh. I mean, hindi pa siya nangyayari ever sa
Dami na affected. Saka laki ng sakop ng bagyo. Ah, ano eh, from Bicol to to Aurora, Baler, ganun yung
Mm,
hapak niya yung affected areas talaga.
okay. Buti they're safe. Pero hopefully we're coordinating nga with yung ibang NGOs diyan at saka yung ibang mga private private donation drives na at least makatulong man lang tayo even sa volunteering, no, kung meron sa ating may gustong tumulong as a volunteer, mag-pack ng mga pagkain, mag-distribute ng goods, ganyan. At least makapagbigay tayo ng effort. Kasi for sure, ang pagkatapos niyan, may clean up drive
Yes.
doon sa Bicol. Hindi ko lang
Cleanup
alam sino
drive,
pwedeng
construction.
ka-coordinate para makatulong doon. But yeah, I'm trying to tap NGOs tsaka ibang mga communities kung ano yung mga gagawin. Good evening guys. Sino yung mga nandito? We have 14 listeners. Kamusta ang Friday nyo? Nagbe-business pa ba kayo? Panggabi ba yung business nyo? O tapos na?
Oo nga. Kamusta
Five,
naman ang
ilang
kabuhayan
araw na
natin
lang
dyan, guys?
magpapasahod na naman. Baliktad
Oo.
no? Pag,
Katapusan
pag,
na
pag,
next week.
pag sa business owner sana yung
Ito yung
takot,
nawawalan.
takot pag
Pagkatapos, hindi mo inaabangan yung katapusan eh.
hindi mo
Kasi
inaabangan
ikaw
yung
ang
tatapos.
nagpapasahod.
Oo. Ay, oo nga. Another na naman tayo. pasahod. Pero syempre, that's how we keep the business running. Parte ng ops natin yun. Sakit sa katawan maglinis. Tinamaan ba kayo ng ano, ng bagyo? Si L Dani.
Danny.
Yeah. Where are you guys from? Meron ba dito mga from South din, Bicol area, Bicol region? Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Bigger area.
Nawala ka
Quezon,
sa
ganyan.
glitch chan. Yan.
Hello?
Ayan, okay
Ayan.
na.
Okay.
Okay na.
Sorry. Naman, nagkaroon ako ng internet
Lower
problem. But okay
Antipolo.
naman.
Okay. Okay. Sino yung pumasok? Okay. Si Trisha pala. Ellie, ganap. Kamusta? Kamusta? Will you guys be joining us sa event natin sa November 10? Actually, very exciting yung event, no? Kasi after many months, ang ginagawa lang natin sa PBN is mga very small group activities lang, mga breakfast clubs, ganyan. Pero this November 10, ang gusto namin mangyari is we really want na ma-meet natin yung mga bigatin as well. Yung mga taong nakaka-inspire para sa ating mga small business owners. Yun yung goal namin eh. Tapos at the same time, hindi lang yun. Kasi at the same time, gusto namin mag-invite din ng mga magagaling na speakers. Actually, we haven't posted yung ating program flow. Kung totoo sen, pag nakita niyo yung program flow, lagpas yung worth niya. Kasi ito yung mga binabayaran for expos na mahal. Pero na-invite kasi natin sila and they really want to support yung movement ng MSMEs. Yun yung nakakatuwa eh. They're happy to support yung ating activities. So, yung first
Yeah.
natin na speaker doon will be tackling raising capital. Paano mamuhunan pang negosyo. Tapos may panel
Ganda
din
yan.
tayo with banks kung paano magkaroon ng mga loans, alternative loans, how to raise capital. So, para to sa mga starting businesses. Then sa next topic natin, dahil ang daming pumapasok sa food business, naisip namin, why not mag-invite tayo ng mga experts sa food safety. So actually, we have a speaker na ang company nila is food safety talaga ang services. So sila yung nagpo-provide ng mga
Mhm.
equipment na pasok sa standards ng food safety. Kasi alam naman natin pag nag-food business tayo, no, pag pumalpak lang once yung ating sa sanitary, pwede tayong ma-close.
Permits. Yeah.
Ah, pwede tayong ma-close agad. So that is very important lalo na sa mga nagtatayo ng food businesses, yung health and safety. So, yun yung next speaker natin. Solid kaagad. So, sa una, we have raising capital and starting a new business. Pangalawa,
Tapang pera.
food business naman, safety. At how can you build a food business that will last you for years? Yun ang pinaka main Good evening from Davao, Jel, and kay Andrew. Hopefully ma-meet namin kayo. Kay Ezekiel din. Ma-meet namin kayo sa PBN at 1 or sa November 10 na event natin. Then, after ng dalawang speakers na yon, we have two more. Yung isa kay Real Talk Darbs. So, dahil
Real
marunong na
Darbs.
marketing naman to.
Ulit yun.
How to
Content
create
creation.
content na makaka-convert tayo ng sales. Kasi we all know na ang power ngayon ng social media and we all see kung paano natutulungan ng social media presence yung mga brands na sikat ngayon. So, part siya
Mhm.
doon at matuturuan niya tayo. Ako rin actually, kung pwede lang, lalabas muna ako sa backstage. Makikinig ako sa talk. Ganon.
Ako rin, definitely.
So, sobrang solid.
And by the way, mag-add ako doon na since nung nakausap ko nga si Darv, sabi niya, gustong-gusto kong magbigay ng value sa PH Business Network community, sa community ninyo, na hindi lang siya magtuturo sa atin on that day, but he will also give a access dun sa isang paid event niya. Exclusively for all those who will attend yung PBN at 1 for free.
Okay.
At magkano yung event na yun? It's valued at 30,000 pesos.
Wow.
Guys, for registration ticket na parang per ROI ka doon.
Okay, so big
Kasi
sabihin,
parang you will be able to get that access for free.
dalawang event na yung magiging access nila, parang ganon. Kasi libre na yung kasunod.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. Solid yun.
Okay. So, solid talaga si Real Talk Tarbs. At least, para sa mga businesses na gusto mag-expand in terms of marketing through social media, this is so much value, to be honest. Sobrang taas ng value yung in-offer ni Real Talk Tarbs. So, everyone who's gonna be at our event on November 10, libre din kayo doon. Lahat. Okay.
Yes. May access kayo doon.
Tapos, last is kay Mami Negosyo. So, since
At negosyo.
naturuan na tayo how to raise capital, how to start a business, naturuan na tayo with food safety, ganyan, foundation, then naturuan din tayo with content. Matuturuan din tayo on how to scale our business. So, kumpleto. Very jam-packed
Grabe, no?
yung ating speakers. And at the same time, we have guest attendees as well. Kasi meron tayong networking night sa dulo eh. So,
Yes.
hindi pwedeng mahiya. Guys, minsan lang natin makakamit itong mga bigatin eh. So bawal ang
Mga
mahihiya.
influencers.
Oo.
Yes. So,
I
sino ba yung mga
suggest,
confirm na natin, bro? Meron na ba?
meron si Miss Ayang, Thai Beauty.
Yeah. Yan, sikat yan sa sa e-commerce, mga beauty products. Sa TikTok, marami yan.
Tapos si Searching Kitan, actually I'm still um tapping. Sabi niya kasi bi- minimake sure pa niya kung meron siyang
Mm.
free schedule kasi galing siya sa ibang bansa. So, I'm still waiting for his confirmation. I also tapped Sir Joe Mag, founder ng Potato Corner, na recently nabenta niya yung Potato Corner sa Shakey's. Gusto ko siya makausap kasi gusto ko malaman paano nangyari lahat yan. Like, from start to how he established Potato Corner at kung paano niya naibenta to Shakey's. So,
Exactly. Grabe, no?
hopefully
Maganda yan.
i-accept niya yung yung ating invitation. But I'm in contact with him. Tapos marami tayong sponsors, to be honest. We have GoTime,
Mm.
we have insurance companies, we have banks,
Yes.
other banks pala. We also have agencies, we have mga firms, accounting firms, ganyan.
Ibang brands din, no?
Yung sa amin din, nag-sponsor din yung sa amin.
Yun.
Yeah,
Si Sir
sobrang
John
solid.
meron siya. Sponsor. Yes, let's go.
Oo, super solid.
By the way,
Grabe.
isa sa mga insurance sponsors pala natin, gusto ko lang din tong i-share, no? Kasi we just had our call a while ago, no? And when we actually talk about yung gusto nilang ibigay ng benefits dun sa mga atin ng PBN anniversary, grabe. They were willing to give 300 peso worth of vouchers for each attendee ng PBN at one. At bukod doon, meron pa silang mga extra prizes and extra gifts via GCash sa lahat ng pupunta doon sa PBN at 1. Alam mo, pag pumunta ka ata ng PBN at 1, ROI kagad doon sa binayaran mong ticket.
Kasi
Ang
ang
dami
daming
mo makukuha,
giveaways.
sobrang solid.
Sobrang
Sobrang
daming
daming
giveaways.
giveaways.
Even dun sa we also have product giveaways na were sponsored by the other business owners. So may isang nag-sponsor for facial wash, meron nag-sponsor ng pet supplies, may nag-sponsor ng mga keychains, ganyan. So to be honest, bawi na kasi sa speakers pa lang bawi, the rest of the giveaways and the network that you're gonna build. Actually, for me as someone na
Exactly.
super sa networking, Hindi networking
Mm.
na ano, alam niyo naman. Pero networking as in building connections.
Yung legit na networking.
Yun yung ano, may pa-sticker daw ba si KKB? Ay, hingi tayo! Kaskasan Buddies also sponsored our
Yes,
community
Kaskasan
event.
Buddies is a partner, yes.
Mm.
Partner din natin. May mga confirmed din na partners, si Darla May. So, and we're still tapping and waiting for the confirmation. Baka lang naman, we're still tapping. Banggitin ko na lang din. Baka lang, pagbigyan tayo nila paring Hive, no? ng Gentry timepieces, si James Pante, no? Josh Mojica ng Hong Kong Chips.
Mm.
So we're actually really looking forward and bringing people for the value of PBN at one. Kasi gusto talaga namin i-celebrate itong milestone na to with you guys in this community. By the way, 71,000 na tayo as of this morning, no? So talagang we're
Yes.
really growing.
Pwede ba mag-invite ng Entrep friends outside? Yes, of course. Yes,
Yes,
they can
definitely.
definitely go. Actually, we would love to meet each and every one. Kasi, again, part of our vision sa PH Business Network is makonect natin lahat ng MSMEs dito sa Philippines. Guys,
Mm.
there's over 1 million MSMEs sa Pilipinas. Imagine kung kaya natin makonect yon in under one community, lahat ng businesses malista natin sa website natin. Hindi na tayo malilito kung sino yung mga dapat nating tinatap na mga tao. Alam natin kung nasan lahat ng suppliers, alam natin kung nasan lahat ng distributors, manufacturers. Hindi na tayo magpo-post dito sa group looking for ganyan kasi masa-search na natin ng sobrang dali. Yun yung goal eh. And in order to do that, kailangan natin sila itipon-tipon dito sa community. So, we're starting small sa ngayon, but in the future, sana ma-visualize nyo rin na how big this community is going to be and how we can really support lahat ng businesses from compliance hanggang sa tax filings, hanggang sa marketing, hanggang sa scaling, hanggang sa sales. Dapat lahat na yan, kumpleto tayo ng mga resources. Pero syempre, konti pa lang yung team ngayon eh. So, but we're building it slowly. Na magkaka-podcast din tayo. May maganda tayong podcast set up soon.
Yeah, yes. Abangan nyo yan,
Oo.
guys. No?
Tapos mag-i-interview kami ng mga successful people at saka mga pumalpak. So, pareho, success stories at yung mga nalugi ng milyon-milyon. Yun yung, yun yung mga gusto nating interview. Okay.
Sabi ni James Afante is my colleague, his partner Brilliant Michael, M Commerce, TikTok is my friend. Uy, Jel, baka naman pwede mo
Uy,
kami i-connect
sige. Let's invite
kay
them.
James Afante.
Oo.
Invite natin sila.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, friend ko rin si James. Kaya kaso busy
Ako
siya
din,
eh.
actually. Busy rin
Natatabunan
siya.
ako eh.
Oo. So, i-inbox zone kami ni James ngayon. Di pa kami napapansin.
Oo.
Sabi ni Tina,
Pero ang dami niyang
sobrang
TikTok
go.
ano eh, sessions. Pero hopefully we can definitely invite them and his friends, no? Grabe ang galing ng growth niya. Did you guys know mas bata pa yun sa akin? Mas bata pa yun sa akin, di ba? Alam ko mas
Tapos
bata pa sa
24
akin.
siya ngayon. 24
Im-
siya ngayon.
Grabe. Hindi ko
Imagine.
ma-imagine. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Sobra.
Anong ginagawa natin, no? On
Ah,
that age.
si Trina, actually, ang
Pero
ganda
by the
ng
way, guys,
community na to.
disclaimer lang, 20 plus pa lang kami, ah. Hindi pa na, nasa 20s pa rin naman kami ni JQ.
Mm.
Ayun guys, tag pala kayo ng mga tao sa comment section para kasi may kaming ibibigay na special announcement din during this live session. Sino ba na yung
Mm.
mga gusto dito na free ticket sa PBN at what? Meron bang mga may gusto na free ticket?
Magalit yung mga nag-register na.
Hindi, of course, meron tayong pa-challenge kasi. So, we are going
Okay.
to reward two winners, two lucky winners in our community. No? Uh, standard tickets yan. So, kung
Ah,
gusto nyo ma-check yung mechanics, ipopost ni Clark sa comment section yung mechanics. No? Yung link dun sa mechanics natin.
okay.
Nakapost na rin naman siya sa FB group. At mamimigay tayo ng tatlong exclusive anniversary merch, no? The worth 1,000 pesos each. So, join na kayo guys. Baka kayo na yung next winner dun sa raffle. No? We will announce the winner on November 5, 2024.
Sabi ni
Yan.
Trina, sobrang gold daw ng community. Actually, it's all because of the people na nasa loob, no? Sila kasi yung pinakamaraming ano,
Ambag.
input dun sa
Yeah.
sa
So,
makikita nyo sila Sir Lawrence Tan, sila Sir Zach,
mm,
the usual
mm,
na nagko-comment, top contributors.
commenters.
Oo,
Yeah.
grabe yung value
Solid.
na binibigay nila. And I do hope na
For
pag
free
meron
yun.
tayong alam, i-share din natin within the group. Naniniwala kasi ako na
Yes.
whenever you give, babalik yan sa'yo, two-folds, three-folds in the future. So
Exactly. Same,
that's
same.
why we build resources. Bakit kami namimigay puro libre? Kasi we know
Mm.
na pag may natulungan to, tapos eventually, pag lumaki na yung business nila, baka tulungan nila yung PBN in the future. So parang tulungan lang,
And talaga
ganon.
hindi ka naman mawawala pag nagbigay ka. Parang by the, kumbaga, proportion or baka, parang yung, ano to, law of proportionality ng universe. Kasi pag nagbigay ka rin naman, babalik sa'yo, talaga sa'yo yan eventually.
Sabi ni Jel,
So don't be afraid to give
reciprocity.
value,
Kaya
guys.
magre-reciprocate yan
Yes,
eventually.
reciprocity. Babalik talaga sa inyo yan, guys.
Ba't
Yeah.
ngayon lang nagkaroon nito,
Huwag kayo
sarado na
matakot
business
magbigay.
namin? Pwede naman ulit magtayo ulit.
Oo, lahat naman ng nagsasara pwede naman buksan ulit. Diba? So, okay lang yan.
Ano yung previous
It's
business nyo,
okay.
Trina? What industry yon? Is it a food business or ano? Hi Tony, good evening. Thank you for
Hi,
joining us
Tony. Ay,
dito.
Tony pala yon. Invite din pala namin kay Tony. Isend ako sa'yo ng message.
Sige. You can still build Oh, actually, makakapag-build
Kudos to the team. Alia,
in
miss ka na namin.
ang tawag dito. Hindi talaga tayo sure eh. Once we start a business, hindi tayo sure na tatagal sa atin yun. It's a very risky venture. And kahit ako, marami na rin akong pumalpak early on. But I decided to improve from the mistakes ko. Tapos yun yung ina-apply ko dun sa bago.
Hmm.
So, hopefully, now you can establish a new one na based on the lessons na natutunan mo before.
And ganun mo talaga ang business. Kasi, again, marami nagsasabi na business is not for everyone. Para kanina nga po yung mga business. Usually, the parang magandang trait or the usual trait na kailangan mo as a business owner is hindi ka takot magkamali, hindi ka takot mag-fail. Kasi in failures, in mistakes, in business, that's how you actually learn. No, it's either you learn or you win. So, hindi naman parating successful parating. Pero in each milestone, in each failure, in each obstacles na pinagdadaan sa business mo, it's still a win kasi you learn something out of it pa rin. So, I mean, kami ni JQ, parang, wait, ako, I started young as an entrepreneur, no? And talagang maraming pagkakamali. Maraming mga bagay na, alam mo yun, na sana hindi ko pinagsisihan mo na nagawa mo or pero in reality, no, it's part of my growth process for me to discover yung strengths, weaknesses ko, and mga potential ko pa to improve better and to be better. Kasi kung gusto mag-business pero ayaw takot ka magkamali, baka hindi para sa yung business. Kasi talagang kailangan risk taker ka, mataas yung appetite mo for margin of error, kumbaga. O dapat kailangan magaling ka mag-bounce back. So, it's okay kung ano ka lang, magsara yung business mo, magtayo ka ulit. Ganun lang talaga yan, no? If there's no way, make a way. Ating ganun eh. So
Oo.
that's our parang motto as a business owner talaga.
Yeah, actually, one of my stories, no, when I was starting, kasi we weren't making much money. So, ang tendency, I had to figure out a way na mabayaran ko pa rin yung bills ko. For more than a year, hindi ko pinasahod yung sarili ko dun sa business namin. Kasi, ang hirap kumurot pag ang konti pa lang ng kita mo. So, So, ang ginawa ko, I had to apply for freelance gigs, freelance jobs. I had to work twice as much para lang ma it, para lang ma-sustain ko yung aming OPEX, ganyan. So, I had to figure out a way to keep it running. And now, luckily, na-survive naman and pwede na naming i-focus. We are able to like um sustain our business with 5 employees. So, including me. So, parang employee na rin ako, sinasahuran ko na yung sarili ko eh. So, umabot na siya to that point. But, hindi yun aabot doon kung hindi ko inano yung first few years na ginrind, na walang income, tapos nagdo-double work pa ako. Work doon, work din sa
Mm.
business. So, yeah, we are entrepreneurs and that's how we figure out ways on how we can sustain yung ating mga businesses. The most successful folks have failed the most. Yes, of course. Kasi hindi naman talaga nila alam. Actually, both kami ni Sean, hindi namin alam lahat. That's why you see
Mm.
us minsan lang mag-comment. Nagko-comment lang kasi kami sa alam namin. Hindi kami nagko-comment sa mga
Yeah.
hindi namin alam. No?
We're learning
We,
a lot actually this community, no?
so
Kasi minsan
sobrang dami
natututo
ko
kami sa pag
natutunan.
nagtanong na ganito. Ako, grabe. Sobrang
Grabe.
solid talaga ng mga tao dito. So, we're actually glad na uh, we had this milestone of celebrating our first year anniversary with this kind of culture na na-preserve natin. And we're still continuously growing, no? And we hope, lalo na yung mga nanonood ngayon on this live, no, na kayo, you will be the one to also propagate culture that we actually started, na giving of value, coming from a place of help, lalo na sa mga fellow entrepreneurs, lalo na yung mga gusto pala mag-start, no? Kasi marami sa atin gusto pala mag-start, pero di alam pa. Wala, no? Saan kukuha ng kapital? Kailangan nga ba ng kapital? Maraming tanong no? Pa nagsimula ba, paano na yung HR, paano yung OPEX, paano yung accounting, paano yung marketing, ang dami kailangan isipin pag nag-business ka na. Kaya nga, di ba, hindi ko sinasabi na lahat, hindi para talaga sa lahat yung pagbe-business. Kasi tayo, di ba, dyan, I mean, nag-work ako for how many years din sa corporate. No? Nag-resign ako kasi napapagod na ako dun sa 8 to 5 na job ko. But, lo and behold, nung nag-business ako, 24/7 na pala ako mag-work. So, ganun yung reality pag business. No? But you have to actually see the brighter side of it. Kasi kung ito talaga yung something that you would want to see and you would want to pursue until the end, it's actually challenging but also fulfilling at the same time.
Hmm. Yeah. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang Friday niyo? Do you guys still work sa weekends? Tapos, or nag-aaral kayo ng bagong skills during weekends? O pahinga lang talaga? Kasi ako, most likely, nagpo-food trip kami. Although may konti pa
Wow.
ring may konti pa ring learning. Kasi, ewan ko hindi ko alam if trait to ng mga entrepreneurs Pag entrepreneurial mindset ka, hindi mapakali yung utak mo na hindi ka productive even just for a single day. Parang kailangan at least meron kang isang podcast na pakikinggan. Meron ka at least isang book na nabasa man lang or may napanood ka man lang na something valuable. Ganun hindi ka mapakali na at least meron lang na something productive. Ganun ba yung mga weekends nyo? For me, that's the case. So I still learn a lot even during the weekends.
Ako,
Dami ko
mahilig
pang
din ako
nilala.
makinig ng podcast pag alam kong meron akong dapat gawin or even minsan ginagawa kong white noise mga podcast. So, speaking of podcast pala, no, guys, meron kaming podcast, just so you know, no, meron na tayong podcast ngayon. The Hustlers Podcast by PH Business Network. Available na siya sa YouTube. Please like, subscribe, no, comment yung mga questions niyo or yung mga insights niyo dun sa dalawang episodes natin doon. And we're still going to produce more episodes in the coming days. Pasupport na lang. No? Available na yung ating podcast sa YouTube. So, I think si share ni Vincent yung link ng podcast natin dun sa
Mm.
comment.
Sobrang daming failed businesses bago nakarating kung nasan man kami ngayon from Tony. Grateful sa experiences kasi na-apply namin sa business now and sa business ng clients namin and still work in progress. Congratulations. Super congratulations sa journey nyo kasi it's really hard, no? Yung most people give up sa first obstacle na ma-experience nila. Pero for you, nag-strive kayo hanggang sa mapunta kayo sa current position nyo right now. Congratulations. Work pa din plus aral from
Yes.
Camille. Ganun nga. The same tayo. The same. May halong aral kasi there's still a lot to learn. Ang dami ko pang hindi alam. Gusto ko nga matuto ng email marketing, SEO, ganyan. For our own business website. Kasi may international clients kami. I mean, how can I put our business na pag nag-search sila on Google, nandun ako sa first page. Hindi lang first page, first line.
First talaga, number one.
Number one. Yun yung gusto kong mangyari. So, yun yung inaaral ko. How do I put our business there? Kasi pag nagawa ko yun, dadagsa yung clients. Kasi ikaw na yung first search eh. So, for those who don't know, search engine optimization yun. So, kung meron kayong mga
Yes.
website, may business website kayo, it's good to understand how Google's algorithm works through search engine optimization. Yan. One day no work feels like 1 year unproductive. Totoo. Totoo. So, super, nakakapanghinay.
Kumbaga sa business kasi parang one day delay is one day loss of sales sa atin eh. Ganon siya.
Oo.
So, every time na hindi ka, parang hindi ka productive for the day, parang feeling mo nalugi ka na. So, para siyang benta na nawala. Ganun.
Gusto lang din namin i-ask, meron ba kayong mga suggested na resources na pwede namin gawin? Kasi wala namang problema kahit anong topic kasi we can tap experts to help us. So kung gusto niyo ng
Yeah.
like an ebook or a spreadsheet, kunwari ebook about TikTok lang, puro TikTok, how to make videos on TikTok na nagva-viral, then we can talk to Real Talk Darbs and collaborate. Ako rin, may sarili akong learnings for that. Tapos baka pwede tayong mag-tap with experts sa finance, accounting, bookkeeping, ganyan. Tapos gawa tayo ng spreadsheet templates, gawa tayo ng makikipag-collaborate tayo. So, any suggestion of resources na pwede nating gawin, please suggest to us para i-build natin yan. Pero siguro baka after na nung event natin sa November 10. By the way guys, yung mga bagong dating, November 10, kita-kita tayo. Sobrang tindi ng networking doon. Promise, magdala kayo ng mga business cards nyo kasi the network is everything. Diyan ako
It's your net worth
nagkaka-clients.
talaga. Totoo
Exactly.
yan. Ayan. By the way, dagdag ko no sa another thing doon sa PBN Anib na may mga raffle sponsors din tayo no. So ang daming mga pa-raffle items doon. Hindi lang physical items, meron din tayong mga coaching calls, free coaching calls worth 25,000 pesos, worth 5,000 pesos.
Mm.
Super ROI ka na pag nakuha mo yung mga ganong slots, no? I mean, and napaka-generous kasi ng mga partners and sponsors talaga natin na sumusupport din dun sa anniversary. So you can look forward doon sa mga yun kasi mga coaches, mga business coaches din are supporting the event. So,
Mhm.
sa abang-abang. So, ako personally, I would want to be one of the winners. Kasi buti na nakasama tayo sa raffle. So yeah, guys, I mean, kung
Business,
gusto nyong mag-join, meron naka-pin yung registration link, no? Sa comment section.
yeah. Tapos, na-mention dito, generative engine optimization. I haven't researched about that. Generative engine optimization. So, ano yun? How is that different sa SEO? Sorry, I have no idea pa. Then business astrology and
I think
metaphysics.
in
Ano yan?
generative, related na siya sa AI. In
Sa
generative,
AI. Okay.
oo. May AI, ano na siya? AI.
Sa business astrology and metaphysics, dyan talaga wala akong alam. As in, zero. Zero ako dyan eh. No knowledge sa mga ganyang stuff. That's why nga, we tap people who can enlighten us how it works, what happens sa ganyan, and how can it help our businesses. Kasi at the end of the day, yung benefits sa business yung ating um tinitingnan, no? John ay hindi, tag pala dun sa isa. Hindi pala sa atin. Then si Jel Darbs is
Ay,
also good
gel.
in brand awareness. It's vital for those who have business on a national scale. Exactly. Even kahit hindi sa national scale, no? Even kahit hindi sa national scale, kasi you have to start somewhere when it comes to building your brand. Pero definitely ang lakas ni Darbs. Grabe. Yun yung goals ko eh. Kasi I also aspire to be like him na yung reach is very influential. Super super masa. So I'm hoping to learn a lot during the event natin no sa November 10. So yung mga gusto matuto ng about brand awareness, creating content that converts, join us sa event natin sa November 10. We have the link dyan sa ating pinned, pinned comment. Automation plus AI
Ayun.
for inquiries. Ooh, interesting. Yan ang Actually, anong thoughts nyo guys doon? Kasi automation plus AI for inquiries, that's really helpful for businesses na magka-cut costs sa mga
Customer
tao
service, no?
o
Yeah.
sa customer service. But at the same time, if mapulido to, malaking malaking industry ang tatamaan sa atin. Kasi one of the biggest industries sa Philippines at mga kapwa business owners din natin may hawak nito ay BPO. BPO. So, pag naging pulido yan, yung automation plus AI, I don't know. I feel like yung mga friends natin sa BPO industry are getting ready for it, or ano naman sila, very quick to adapt, no?
Pero sa akin, for that, no, parang iba pa rin kasi yung may human intervention. Ako basically, pagdating sa customer service, for example, sa isang airline na kulay yellow,
Mm.
no, ang hirap kasi wala silang customer service.
Mm,
Alam mo, pag may
correct.
reklamo ka or pag may issue ka, alam mo, ilang beses ako na-delay ng flight ko, wala kang makausap na tao, parang puro robot, parang mabubwisit ka na lang. Dahil hindi masagot yung tanong mo, wala kang makausap na tao. So I think, pagdating sa customer service, siguro, integrated yung AI automations in the work of human. Pero yung human touch, I think, malayo pa tayo doon bago pa mawala. But yeah, that's something interesting to really actually have.
Mm, mm. Tsaka hirap ang AI magtagalog.
Exactly. Totoo
So,
yan. Parang
pero
alam mong
pero
robot eh.
but ito nga, which is also scary if you guys haven't seen yung update ng ChatGPT, very human-like na magsalita.
Mm.
So, I'm not sure in the next 2 years kung gaano kabilis yung next updates nila. Hopefully hindi tayo ma-replace, but we have to be prepared na mag-upskill lang just in case. Just in case. We
Si
have to
Elon Musk nga,
prepare.
di ba? Nag-release na ng robots niya eh, no?
Oh yeah, we
Yung
have to
humanoids
prepare
niya.
for the worst case scenario kasi sa ano ng technology, we don't know what's gonna happen next. So sobrang bilis. Sobrang bilis talaga ng tech. No one can predict what's gonna happen next and what industries ang affected. Nakakatawa kasi sa first world countries, nandun na sila sa ano na yon. Pero tayo dito, we're still exploring how email marketing works. We're still exploring
Mm.
how to build websites sa Shopify. Medyo delayed
Yeah.
tayo. Medyo delayed tayo ng konti.
Actually, hindi lang tayo konti. But based on statistics, parang mga third world countries, especially our country, no? In the business sector, delayed tayo ng almost 2 years, no? Pagdating sa technology and business mga strategies, business implementation. So, super late na rin tayo.
Super
Ganun.
delayed. Oo. Ano mga iba pa din pag tao. Yes, actually iba pa rin tao kasi feel mo na may care talaga sila sa'yo. Although kahit galit na galit ka na. Siyempre, kalmado pa rin sila kausap ka at mafe-feel mo na okay, mas comforting ang boses ng tao kaysa sa AI. That's true. Saw a video where AI called calling and at the end they revealed to the person they were talking to that it was AI. Ah, actually, guys, if you haven't seen yet, merong platform na ipapasok mo yung mga PDF mo ng mga research mo, tapos automatic gagawin niya ito into a podcast. Dalawang tao nag-uusap. So, kunwari, gusto mo matutunan ang isang topic like economic crisis ng 2008. If i-feed mo sa kanya yung PDF, tapos yung dalawang tao mag-uusap sila, oh, nabalitaan mo yung 2008 crisis? Tapos sasagot yung isa, oh nga ganito kasi, ang galing. And it sounds very
Naging
human.
conversational siya.
Naging conversation
Oh.
para matuto ka. Kasi people prefer dalawang tao yung nag-uusap versus sa isa lang na nagdi-discuss sa'yo. So dito parang nagbabatuhan sila. And this was AI. You just feed it PDF, tapos nag-uusap sila in a very conversational manner. So, hindi na customer service ang naapektuhan ha. Naapektuhan din ang mga content creators, lalo na sa audio, yung mga podcasters. Kasi this can generate the podcast, the episode in just 5 minutes. Full episode in just 5 minutes. Sabi ko, patay tayo dyan. How do you keep up with all the tech? A different video and case use was they had the AI haggle the cost of a room they were booking. Wow! Nakikipag-haggle ng presyo. So, naging effective ba?
Tumatawad.
Napatawad ba
Tumatawad.
din?
Grabe, no? Na tumatawad yung AI.
10-year-old kid nag-aaral ng mag-coding. Sobrang grabe. How do we keep up dito sa Philippines? Kasi we really need yung backing ng government, no? We really need yung backing nila sa pagdating sa MSMEs na masuportahan tayo on how we can build um the startups dito sa Philippines. Kasi kung tutuusin, yung mga programmers na nandun sa ibang bansa building the big startups that we are the big companies that we are using right now sa phones natin, yung mga apps. Mga Pilipino din yung iba eh. Kasi
Totoo.
hindi tayo nasusuportahan within our own country. Kaya napupunta yung talent sa iba. We have great programmers. We have a lot of great programmers. Pero mas malaki yung kita doon. So, napupunta yung pag-build ng mga tech sa ibang bansa. Good news is that we remain competitive in the international market in terms of our rates. Yeah, yun yung pambato natin. Tsaka magaling tayo mag-English versus sa ibang mga bansa. So, ano
Yun,
natin yan?
leverage talaga ng mga Pinoy na ako
Yeah.
nga meron ako isang client no, from France or from Russia. Sabi niya, grabe mga Pilipino, parang they are so amazed how Filipinos get to converse in English fluently and easily. So parang knowing that we're from a third world country, may stigma na dapat opo tayo sa everyone.
Ah,
When we actually showcase yung, we can actually become globally competitive by the language itself, no? By knowing English in itself, naging globally competitive talaga.
and that's why nag-thrive ang BPO. That's why may malaki tayong BPO industry. And that's why nagta-thrive din ang freelancing industry. Kasi we know how to communicate with the Western clients. Solid yung AI chatbot. Ay, asa na, nawala. Hindi ko nabasa. Solid yung AI chatbot automation for inquiries. Okay siya kasi di pa alam ng karamihan na pwede Tagalog yung chats ni ChatGPT. Yeah, sobrang solid nga. Pero kung magawa mo yun, you are saving so much time. Hindi mo na kailangan magsagot sa mga inquiries ng mga tao. Ikaw, makapag-focus ka lang sa operations ng business mo. Pero yung customer support side mo, wala. You don't need to hire a staff. Nakatipid ka ng magkano? For how much lang every month? Alam ko yung mga chatbots, nasa 1,000 lang yan eh. Versus paying an actual salary na 18-20,000 for staff lang to chat. We have to reform our educational system. Super old school pa rin. That's true. very old pa. Pero at least nga, ngayon parang nag-adapt na tayo dun sa may STEM, di ba? STEM and ano. We're
May,
catching up.
may, may ano na. Ito,
We're
tagal-tagal
catching
na.
up. Oo.
Oh,
Pero
paano nangyari yun?
marami pa tayong mahabulin. Gracias, senyor. Akala ko sa atin. Doon pala sa, sa reply. I remember that
Nagchat-chat din
one.
sila.
Mm, very realistic. Totoo. I wish I could share now pero siguro share ko na lang sa group later on kung ano yung app na yun na you can just submit the PDF tapos gagawa siya ng podcast for the two guys or the two AI um, characters na makikipag-usap sa isa't isa. GM mga
Hey,
boss.
by the way,
Si
guys,
Tio,
it's ano, oy, si Tio, happy 1 year. Thank you,
thank you
bro.
so much.
Congrats din. Alam ko
Hopefully
nanalo
makamit ka
sila
namin
recently.
sa ating ano, Anev.
Oo, punta ka, bro. Tio. Yun. Bro, parang since mayroon tayong 17,000 viewers dito ngayon on the live, meron ba dito nag-gusto ng meron kaming ipa-freebie ni JQ, no? Sa mga magre-register on the spot during this live session. Ito lang ano lang siya, exclusively for the people who will register on this. So, can you type in sino yung mga interested for that freebie? So, ano nga ba yung freebie, no? Una, pag nag-register kayo, especially lang sa mga tao lang na mag-register during this time, sa live na to. Pag nag-register kayo, no, you'll get a one-on-one coaching with me about digital marketing, especially for MSME. So whatever MSME is that, even e-commerce is included. So para lang sa mga mag-register during this time.
Okay.
Yun. And not that, meron pang isa na idadagdag na bonus si JQ. Ano
Ayun.
yun sa'yo, bro?
Na sa akin ano rin, same din, one-on-one, pero TikTok naman. How to build a personal brand on TikTok. So I will dedicate a one-on-one with you para mag-focus lang tayo on TikTok. So kasi I treat TikTok as a ano na as a business na rin right now eh. And it has generated me a lot of clients to be honest. And I want to share that sa kung sino man ang mabibigyan natin nung sesh. So, yon ituturo ko lahat from start to finish, the entire thing, no? Wala, hindi ako
Sa
sumasayaw
share na to
doon.
guys, maka one-on-one si JQ sa isang kwarto ba? Kwarto ng Zoom. Kwarto ng Zoom. Zoom
I-share ko
ng
lahat,
Zoom.
even yung mga how I siguro kasi dahil personal branding yung angulo, you can still use it for your business. Pero dahil personal
Mm.
branding yung angulo, paano ako nakikipag-deal with the brand deals? Paano ako nagbibigay ng contracts or paano sila nakikipag-send ng agreements? Paano ka makikita ng mga brands para i-message ka? Kasi to be honest nga yung papasko na, ang dami nagme-message na brand deals ngayon. So, paano nila nakikita yon? Yun yung mga i-share ko para if you're gonna build a personal brand, kasi sa personal brand, pwede mo i-promote yung business mo at the same time yung sarili mo. Dalawa ang negosyo mo dun eh.
Kaya,
Yung business mo pati ikaw.
hitting two birds in one stone.
Oo, ganun siya. So nagkakaroon ako ng sales sa business. Nagkakaroon din ako ng sales sa sarili ko. As a personal brand.
Brand. Oh.
Yun yung ano, i-share ko. Tapos siguro, meron ba tayo mapapamigay ng mga libro during the event? Dahil na-mention ni
Yeah,
Ses
no?
na ano,
Ano books naman lang.
about books na malaki na itulong sa mindset,
Sige, ikaw
sa
muna.
business
Ikaw
and
muna, bro.
mindset. Eto I have it here. I have it here. Eto, Dale Carnegie. Ayan o. How to win friends and influence people. Matututo kang mag-manipulate ng tao para mabentahan mo. Joke lang. Hindi.
Mga budol pala in short.
Pero kasi, this really gives you an understanding on how human psychology works. Para marunong ka makipag-communicate on what people need. So, ito yung talagang
Hmm.
masasuggest ko. Kasi if you know what people need, isusubo mo na lang sa kanila yung solusyon. This is the reason bakit lumalaki yung community natin. Kasi I'm implementing yung mga strategies na tinuturo dito sa mga contents that I make. Kaya dumadami members. So, yung aking testimonial or yung aking case study is our community. So, how we grew to 70,000 members, 70,000 plus, is because of this book. Okay. So, guys, Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Guys, sobrang classic nito. Bago lang yung cover, but hindi ito yung modern cover na to eh. Yung lumang cover nito mas simple. Ito modern to, but if you try and read it, ang daming lessons kasi you can apply it for your business. You can apply it sa communication skills mo. You can apply a lot of lessons here kasi you know how to understand. Yun na nga, exactly. Baka minamanipulate ko lang sila. Ina-apply ko na. Ina-apply ko na.
Kung manipulate namin kayo lahat dito, ha. Totoo.
Joke
Sa
lang.
akin naman, sa book, marami din, no? Pero parang starter kit na kagad si Rich Dad Poor Dad eh. Di ba? So, alam
Rich
nyo na
Dad
yun.
Poor.
So, usually kapag business owner ka, parang it's one of the first books that you are going to read talaga. And then, with regards to business kasi importante din yung aside from communication skills is yung productivity. How are you going to maintain your productivity? So, Atomic Habits is the James Clear is one of the uh, favorite books that although parang sobrang naging sikat na niya, pero still the content of that book is really relevant, no? Ano siya, evergreen relevant siya, no? Whatever era, whatever generation is you are, relevant yung content with regards to productivity in making great progress, no? Through small steps. So yeah, yun yung aking ma-recommend.
Yun. Meron pa ba akong isang book? Itong mga inaano ko kasi, meron akong, asa na yun? Um, yung may picture to ni Henry C. eh. I forgot the title. Asa na to? Ito. Luma to. This isn't mine. I actually borrowed this. But it's Be an Entrepreneur by Manuel Chongco. What's nice about this book is may practical applications kasi siya. So, for other books kasi puro very broad, very mindset. Pero kung gusto mo kunwari, may computation dito on how to do accounting, meron siya. So mga technical stuff. So it really helps lalo na sa business kasi if you wanna understand, ayan, for example ito, using a financial statement, meron siyang topic dedicated for that. I don't know kung binebenta pa to to be honest kasi kailan pa to eh. Pero Be an Entrepreneur na may picture ni Henry C. May picture ni Henry C. as a very technical book and I think you guys should try it as well. Ayan. Ano yung
Sa mga podcast naman, mga
si Jed,
podcast,
good
ikaw.
evening Jed. How are you? Magaling din yan. Super solid yan. He has a startup. Tech naman.
Ayan,
More
hi
on
Jed.
sa Web3 naman. But he has paying customers na nakasubscribe sa kanya. So, congratulations to you.
Yes, Jed. Sa podcast, bro, I mean, kung may podcast naman kayo, you're not a type of book person, so you must auditory. I love the contents of Alex Ramosi. If you don't know him, he's talking about uh, a lot of things about business. So my favorite books na pinakinggan ko recently are the $100 million lead and $100 million sale. So, as in super even lahat of steps binibigay ni Alex Ramosi. you can actually apply easily sa businesses mo, whatever type of businesses you have. So yun, I
May
suggest
na-mention siya
Harris
dito.
Remote.
Pero kung manipulation talaga, Tim Berners-Lee. Hindi ba Tim Berners-Lee also discussed yung semantic web stuff? If I remember correctly. Tapos, sige. Only the Paranoid Survive by Jamie Dimon. About saan yun? I haven't read that book. Maybe I can add it to my list. So kung meron din kayo ma-share, no, isusulat ko. Kasi before I forget, at least yung mga recommendation yun, is ilagay
Ito yung mga
natin.
recommendations niya, guys.
Little Red Book of Selling by Jeffrey. Highly
Homer.
recommended. Okay,
Dito.
try natin yan. Anyway, ano ano nga ulit yung reward natin na ano
Yeah,
na rin tayo sa
3 minutes.
chismisan.
3 minutes before we end. Yeah.
Hanggang 9 lang ba tayo or do we extend ng a few
Pwede naman,
minutes?
pero pwede naman we can extend until 9:10 kung merong
Hmm.
gustong humabol.
Morning routine or
Um,
daily habits nyo? Morning routine. Okay, ito,
ikaw
morning
muna.
routine. Um, emails. Hindi mo na ako kumakain eh. Ang kain ko nagiging brunch na. So, morning routine is emails. I open Outlook, I open Gmail. Yung Gmail tatlo, PBN, personal, tsaka yung TikTok email. Tatlo yan. Checking lahat. Then, yung Outlook is yung business email namin. Then, fifth is yung Lark. Lark Suite yung gamit kasi namin to monitor our business operations. So, yan. 5. Yan ang morning routine. Check talaga lahat yan if may messages. Then, I also check lahat. Viber, Messenger, WhatsApp. Pero yung mga top priority lang ang nare-replyan ko. Yung mga super important. Pag hindi pa siya important, like minangamusta lang, or most likely, hindi ko siya nare-replyan. I'm super sorry.
Over pala si Sir Joke.
Hindi, super sorry kasi ano, overwhelming yung ano,
Yan. Priorities naman kasi talaga.
oo,
Dapat.
tas makakaligtaan na. But yung mga top priority, I do reply naman. Lalo na yung mga brands na I'm collaborating with. Tapos yung mga partners natin, mga partner sponsors for the event, ganyan. We have to keep checking that. Yun ang morning routine natin. Tapos pagdating ng lunchtime, brunch na. Ganon. Di pa ako nagugutom agad eh, pag pagising eh. Ikaw ba siyan?
Sa akin, yes. Same ako. Hindi rin ako kumakain agad. Gagising ko. So, usually, it's either I take coffee or tea in the morning lang. Para I can get to magkaroon ng energy. No? Pero usually, brunch na talaga ako. So, I don't eat much. Yung breakfast ko at lunch is na so part of my diet na. And then, pagising ko sa morning, I always work din. Work din ako agad eh. Uh, Kasi nga, ngayon, we're still in the startup phase of our journey sa business. So, kaya talagang grind pa. Nasa grind era pa ako. Kaya pagising ko, work agad, open laptop, um, check emails. Number one, parati emails, messages, and yung client works. Kasi I have client pa din. No? So, I'm checking client works and do deliverables. So, halos lahat ng mga deliverables ko for my clients and anything related sa business admin works, no? Nasa morning ko. Emails lahat yun. And then, brunch, and then sa afternoon ko, nandiyan na halos lahat ng meetings until evening. So, naka-schedule talaga yung calendar ko na hapon to gabi, meetings na yan, karamihan. Yun. Ganun yung aking usual day so as in my life. Habits, siguro, yeah, make sure lang din siguro na may balance pa din. Kasi mahirap, one thing that we would want to prevent from happening is being burnt out, no? Uso yan ngayon na yung burnout, no? And kasi kung tayo, hindi natin inaalagaan din yung sarili natin in the process, tayo lang din kasi magpapatakbo ng business. So if you yourself lost yourself in the wave, then mawala rin sa business. Maraming ma-affect. So kailangan na pakitulangin self-care pa din. No? Kailangan hindi parating nakatutor, kailangan medyo meron kang exercise, meron pa ginagawang ibang outdoor activities, just to get to talk to other people, to network pa din. So, dapat di siya nawawala. Kailangan,
Mm.
di nawawala yung human nature natin. Kailangan siguro. Sa'yo,
Nag-accept ako ng mga friends. Yung mga nag-like today, in-accept ko yung mga friend request para if you need to tap me kasi natatabunan din minsan kaya hindi ko na-accept before, sorry. Pero in-accept ko yung mga nag-like na may pending request dito. I accepted you guys. Sorry kung hindi ko na-accept earlier. Then, may question dito eh. Best advice in life that you have learned from someone. Ito kay Sir Shinky. Ka-chat ko kasi si Sir Shinky madalas, no? Sa Viber. Pero, tuwing nagsha-share ako sa kanya, sinasabi niya sa akin na, bakit, ba't ang dami mong ginagawa? Ba't ang dami mong gustong gawin? Which is true, na hindi ko dinedeny, no? Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Sabi niya sa akin, isa-isa lang. Don't overcomplicate and don't overwhelm yourself. Kasi the more na nagdagdag ng kung ano-anong gagawin, the more na wala kang progress sa lahat ng yun. So, ang main lesson is to focus on a few things. Focus on what you can manage. Yun ang main So that's why mapapansin nyo kung dati I have multiple communities na hinahandle, binitawan ko na muna yung iba. Kasi now I want to focus my full efforts sa personal brand ko, sa business, and just the community that we have right now. And they're all interconnected naman eh. So mas tayo ngayon, mas focused. And that's one of the best advices that I've heard. Talagang kinut off ko na lahat ng hindi magbe-benefit doon sa tatlong yun. Yun. I hope it makes sense. Added yun na. Okay, wait.
sige lang tanong na yun. Sa akin naman siguro best advice, parang meron din akong, may mentor din naman noon. And hindi naman siya in opposite kasi almost pareho din kami nitong ni JR, ni Jacob. So, sa akin naman, what I actually do, or what the best advice that I actually receive is kasi before, ang dami kong negativities. Parang, kaya ko ba to? Do I deserve this? Yung mga ganong bagay. There's a lot of barriers for me before actually even taking action. So the best advice I receive is that you will only learn things until you actually do it. Kasi parang you won't be able to actually say na hindi para sa isang bagay, hindi mo kasi. So, doon ako nagkaroon ng confidence na just start anyway. Just start and everything will follow. So, doon ako mas nagkaroon ng parang, doon nag-ignite yung parang, okay, let's take the rest, let's do this, let's just start this. And then, eventually, it will be sustained kasi you will learn a lot along the way. Kaysa yung in-overthink ko siya, even the consequences, even the worst thing case scenario, naisip ko na siya without even actually doing it. Tapos at the end of the day, madi-discourage na lang ako. Hindi ko pa nga nakisimulan. So, di ba may mga ganun na, lalo na sa business, no? Parang, di mo pa nakisimulan, napagod ka na.
Ah,
Dahil sa
ah,
kakaisip.
Pro
So,
overthink, no? Imbes na
yun.
gawin. Yeah,
Mm,
I
yes.
definitely agree with that. Yung ang dami mong pinlano, nag-business plan ka, nag-consult ka, na ganyan. Instead of actually starting the business, yung try mo na ba ibenta agad yung produkto mo, di ba? Or na-try mo na bang ibenta yung
Mm,
service mo?
yes.
Hindi, kasi gusto mo pa ayusin yung ganito, gusto mo pa
Di ba?
ayusin yung branding mo, gusto mo pa ayusin yung sobrang aesthetic na ano.
Yun.
Ang dami eh. But that's not gonna get you anywhere. The best ano nga thing to do is to just start, then improve or iterate from there. Ganun lang. If it doesn't work, ano ba yung problema? Okay, dun yung improve ko. Doesn't work, ganun. Ganun din ginawa namin. We had a very ugly website dati. But we promoted pa rin sa clients. Anyway, di ba? Ngayon, nakapag-upgrade na kami sa mas maganda. Pero nung initial, kung nag-overthink kami, baka wala kami nakuha. So I get what you're saying. Super, super relate yan. Wala ka kasing matatapos kung madami kang sinisimulan. Exactly. Totoo yan. Pag sobrang dami, hindi na yan magpo-progress. Lahat sila, ano na lang, ang effort mo, very minimal na lang sa bawat isa eh. Napagod ka pa. How you do one thing is how you do exactly. Exactly. So we really need to put our focus, i-prioritize natin yung mga dapat nating bigyan ng focus. Sobra. So mas marami marami pala nakaka-relate with with the advices na nakuha natin from others. Ayun.
And very relevant yan.
Now, again, um, gusto ko kayong ma-meet talaga personally. Sa iba ko pang hindi na meet dito. Gusto ko kayong makausap. I wanna know more about what business you're trying to put up. Ano yung current business mo right now? Ano yung mga plans mo? Kasi that's how we build connections dito sa PBN. If you haven't been to our breakfast clubs, kinikilala talaga namin. Hindi lang siya transactional na, uy, bebentahan kita. No, we want to understand where you're coming from and what problem are you solving and what kind of vision do you have. Kasi malay mo later on tayo yung maging mag-business partner. Di ba, baka kailangan nyo pala ako for something, tas kailangan ko rin kayo. Tayo yung dalawa na lang yung mag-business. Di ba? So that's the connection that we wanna establish. And that's how we want everyone to connect sa lahat ng events na gagawin natin. Tsaka Shan, organize tayo ng, mag-organize pa ba tayo ng Christmas party? Or organize tayo
Yeah.
ng
Yes,
activity?
definitely. Meron tayo. Actually, the plan is idudugtong natin yung Christmas party natin in a outreach program para we give first before we receive, parang ganun.
Exactly.
So, hanap tayo ng siguro orphanage or home for the aged or kung may nabagyuman during that time, we can actually do some outreach program muna before we actually celebrate on the same day pa rin. So,
Same
parang ganun,
day.
that's how we celebrate. Oo, yung
Okay,
Christmas
that's
natin.
that's 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 a great let's partner with NGOs siguro
Yep.
or
Mm.
private donation drives ulit para mas marami tayong hands
Yes.
to help. At least we're
Yep.
doing everything with a purpose. And again, like I said, nung kasi simula pa lang natin itong live, we, whatever good that we give, I'm sure twofold and threefolds ang babalik niyan sa'yo. Ganun. Only the Paranoid Survive by Jamie. It talks about managing chaos. Okay. I've written it down. Yung mga sinulat nyo kanina, nandito sa ano ko, notepad. I've written everything down. So yan yung mga sisilipin ko sa fully book sa next na punta ko doon. At magdadagdag na naman ang ating book dito sa likod. Who wants to know sneak peek 2025 energies? Paano ba yan? What information can I share with you para maano yung like for our business, for example? Wala akong idea with how that works. Baka pwede rin big event na get together pero online para maka-join kaming malalayo. Sure, let's organize a big event. Gusto nyo ba ito idea lang to for everyone here. Let me know kung ang maganda tong idea na to. Kukuha ako ng mga small businesses na may magagandang ideas. Kukuha ako ng mga investors na makikinig sa mga small businesses na to. Tapos tayo, The rest, audience. Okay? Papanoorin natin mag-pitch si small business doon sa investor. Para siyang Shark Tank. Pero,
Sure.
pero small business Pilipinas version. Ganon. So, let's say merong
Yeah,
magandang
oo.
bagoong product etong si small business. Pipitch niya doon sa investor.
Mm.
Tayo lahat, audience lang tayo. Sabihin niya yung pitch niya.
Mm.
Siyempre, i-guide namin sila para maayos yung pitch, no? I-guide namin sila kung ano yung mga information na dapat nilang sinishare doon sa investor. But, imagine this, Shark Tank type. Lahat tayo nanonood. May audience tayo. Left side, si small business, sir, meron akong bagong-bagong product. Kakaiba to, meron kaming twist. Ang twist namin, nilagyan namin ng chicharon, whatever. Ganon. Tapos, makikinig lang si investor.
Mm.
Siguro, dalawa nga, tatlong investor. Tapos, titignan niya kung good idea to. Ang maganda kasi dito, even if hindi mag-invest si investor, matututo kasi si small business owner kung ano pa yung improvements na kailangan niyang gawin. At the same time, si tayo as an audience, nakikita natin yung mga pwede nating matutunan from their interaction. 'Di ba? Imagine the lessons na na makukuha natin doon. Tapos let's do it. Mga 1 to 2 hours lang ganun. Small business pitching. Usually kasi yung puro pitch natin is na nakikita sa startups is mga tech companies eh. So dito, let's try and have pitches for traditional businesses. So imagine that. Yun. Yun, pwede daw. Solid daw. Solid business pitching event. Yeah, yun yung nakikita ko for online. Na para very interactive, very tapos i-record natin para ma-share din natin doon sa hindi makaka-join. And yes, tama, it also adds exposure dun sa business na yan dito sa loob ng community. So everyone's winning, to be honest. Kasi we will learn kung ano pa yung kulang. Tapos meron tayong mga investors na nakakakita ng magaganda ideas na pwede nilang pag-investan. Kung saan nila mailalagay yung pera nila. Kasi we have a lot of sa network na maraming pera na hindi alam kung saan ilalagay ang pera. So, bigyan,
Exactly.
bigyan, bigyan nyo sila ng idea na maganda.
Dami mo pera dyan. Yes.
Ako
Willing to
mag-pitch
invest
din ako.
anytime, guys.
Baka pwede rin ako
Ako din,
mag-pitch.
no? Definitely.
Oh, oh.
Excited.
Yeah, exactly. Let's find the angels. Angel investor ang tawag dun sa mga yun eh. So, para dun sa mga hindi pa alam yung term, na hanap tayo ng mga angel investors. Sobrang big help po yun. Yeah, definitely. Kasi I think there are good businesses dito, pero hindi lang sila makascale because they lack funding. So, hindi kasi sila makapag-apply din sa business loan kasi ang daming requirements. So, what's left is either mangutang sila sa kaibigan nila, mangutang sa 5-6 na sobrang laki ng interest, or maghanap ng angel investor kasi yun nga, they are not trained kung paano mag-pitch sa angel investor. But they don't know how to pitch. So, at least, dito sa ganitong series, if ever, matututo, mahahasa yung mga small business owners.
Yes.
Diba? Parang season 1, ganito.
Malay natin, di ba, may televise din to ng Netflix. Malay natin. Mga nasa aspirations lang natin yan. Pero, why not, di ba? So, we're hoping for
That
the best.
sounds fun. Ang dami natin plano, no, Sean? Sabi nga lang natin kanina, isa-isa lang.
Sobra. Kaya nga eh.
Focus
Parang,
na, focus.
ano eh. Oo eh.
Di
Actually,
ba?
anib lang dapat yung sabihin natin.
Pero hindi naman namin tinitake over lahat. Kasi marami na tayong
Yeah.
volunteers and collaborators and team members helping us sa community na to. Even kayo guys, you guys are very open to join and volunteer if you guys want to help a certain aspect or if you have an idea of a project na pwedeng gawin, let's do it. Kasi meron kaming contributors, may team members kami who's helping out in social media. Yung mga nakikita yung graphics ng PBN, meron din tayong mga katulong dyan. So, even sa event organizing, meron tayong mga katulong. So, this is a collective effort Kasi we all share the same vision ng PBN. And we need all hands na we can get. This is one of my goal too, to invest sa mga startup, lalo na sa fintech. Pag gusto mo mag-invest sa isang startup na IP related, meron ba tayong resource for healthcare? Fitness, beauty, and wellness is also a good topic. Wala pa. But I hope makapag-build tayo ng maraming resource for that. Kasi we have a lot of industries talaga na kailangan nating ang tawag dito, mai-collate.
May
In,
yeah.
oh, ang daming industries eh. Actually, pag chinek ko yung ngayon, PhilJeps, sobrang daming businesses na pwedeng gawin or opportunities na pwedeng gawin. From agriculture, may air conditioning, may aircraft, may animal feeds, may appliances, architectural design. Ang dami. 163 categories to. So, hopefully magkaroon tayo ng resource for each and every one in the near future. Hindi ngayon for sure, pero in the future we can tap so many experts to help us build what we envision. Record your pitch to Netflix then, so it goes for sana i-record natin. Tapos i-share natin sa
Ano
kanila.
naman, Netflix Philippines.
May
Yes, why not?
startup
Why
na
not?
eh. Anong tawag doon? Ano yung name nun? Kay John
Pitch.
Aguilar.
Oh,
Yeah, John Aguilar.
the final pitch.
The final pitch. Yeah, the final pitch.
Yeah.
Nandun ako sa book signing niya eh. I have one of his books here. So, the
Friend mo rin
final
siya, si
pitch.
John Aguilar. Siyempre, kailangan siyang invite. Invite natin si John Aguilar. I'll invite him sa PBN at one.
Ayan John Aguilar. The final pitch. Yung Filipino version ng Shark Tank. So, maybe, yeah, we can definitely invite him. Signed niya to. So, syempre, mas mahal na yung libro.
May value na siya.
Ayan,
Oo,
sabi
tignan mo
niya,
na yung value dyan.
sabi niya sa akin, have an epic pitch. Although hindi ko pa nagagawa, but motivation natin to pitch someday to an investor, to scale our business. That's the goal, guys. That's the goal. That's one of my goals. Hopefully, makita natin dito. So, ma-share ko at magawa natin. Yeah. Napasobra tayo sa oras. Happy Friday, guys.
Happy Friday, guys. Happy weekend.
If makapag-register kayo today, again, we're happy to give added value to you. Yun nga kay Sean, digital marketing. Meron ka session with him. Meron ka rin session with me with personal branding on TikTok and how to build a business around TikTok. I'm gonna share with you. If ngayon kayo nag-register doon sa ating event, makikita naman namin kasi we have a tracker. Thanks to Helix Pay for helping us set up yung ating ticketing system. So, gamit tayo ng technology kasi we advocate for tech. So, yeah, andyan yung link, tickets.phbusinessnetwork.com. Again, sa mga pupunta, we have 4 speakers. First speaker is how to raise capital para sa bagong negosyo. Then we have a panel na nagdi-discuss ano yung mga alternatives for fundraising para sa iyong negosyo. Second topic is food safety. So, tinuturuan dito how to build a food business that lasts. Kasi nga, if pumalpa ka sa safety, matatanggal ang negosyo mo. Super crucial ang safety sa food business. And we have a guest speaker for this. Meron din tayong panel na mga expert dito sa industry na to. Third is content naman with Real Talk Darbs. So, Real Talk Darbs will be helping us or teaching us how to create content that converts. So, etong tatlo pa lang actually, sulit na kasi.
Sobrang solid na.
Guys, may buffet pa kayo. Meron bang buffet?
Napakasarap na buffet.
May buffet, may mobile coffee bar, and we're still closing a mobile alcohol bar.
Alcohol.
Hopefully ma-close natin na. We're still closing that. Tapos, super daming giveaways. Then last talk is how to scale your business. So, Hindi pa ba sulit yun? Dati nagbayad ako
Sobrang
ng more than
sulit.
15,000 sa mga ganitong talks eh. Plus the networking session.
Ako, meron akong binayaran almost 25 to 30,000.
Anong ano
Isang
yun?
araw lang yun. Di ba?
Confe yun, Expo.
Isang event. Oo, yes. Expo.
Ang mahal
So,
no?
imagine mo. Pero yung value na to, ito parang everything was compressed into that one day.
Yeah.
Makukuha niyo yung lahat, guys. Raffle, giveaways, may DJ tayo, makakapag tayo at the end of the day.
Yeah, and
Talaga, it's a celebration of a milestone.
build your network. Yan yung pinaka ano ko, pinaka lagi kong ine-emphasize kasi that's how this community was built no? Through the network. So
Yes.
it's so powerful. Pas na sa clubbing. Ito na bagong gimmick. Yeah. Mag-monthly gimmick tayo pero puro network, building connections, and yung talaga magiging productive tayo. Gusto natin lahat makapag-retire.
Kayaman tayo.
If you guys need beer from Katipunan Ale, let me know. Sige! Sige! Kasi magpa-follow pa ako dun sa Tanduay eh. Pero sige, we
Baka
are
may mga
definitely
sponsors kayo dyan na
open.
kilala, di ba?
Oh, Katipunan
Oo, baka
Ale.
may mga gusto pa
Oo,
mag-sponsors ng beer dyan or alcohol or anything else na pwede pamigay on the venue or on the event. We're very open. Reach out lang kayo sa amin, guys.
definitely. We're very open. Wag lang natin lalasingin yung mga magmamaneho.
Yes. Siyempre, safe driving pa rin.
Tsaka malawak yung space
All
kasi sa
right.
may MOA area to. MOA area
Oo.
sa One
Sa
Esplanade.
central area.
Ah,
Maganda yung lugar.
oo.
Very nice. Very nice.
Ang hirap mag-secure ngayon kasi puro corporate events right now, puro Christmas party. So yung mga malalaking venues, sinara na yan for the corporate. Pero luckily, tayo sa PBN, we were able to secure a date on November 10. Yung ibang dates kasi block na. So remaining is
Very much
either
noted.
weekday. Ayaw naman natin ng weekday. We have a business Mahirap i-sacrifice yung isang araw for the business. So, at least nakakuha tayo ng Sunday sa wakas, no? Yeah, and that's it. Hopefully, we get to see you guys sa November 10.
Excited kami ma-meet kayo, guys. Yeah.
Let's talk. Let's talk business. Let's discuss what we can do. Let's connect. Kumain tayo and mag-enjoy. Yun lang.
Yes.
Yun ang gusto kong mangyari. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun lang. Let's have a lot of pictures kasi marami tayong sponsor photo booth. Sa
Yeah,
ganun.
marami tayong photo booth doon, guys. Tatlo, magsawa kayo sa mga
Oh,
pictures nyo, no?
gandaan yung mga
Marami
outfit
tayong photo booth
nyo.
doon.
Pero smart casual lang tayo
Yes,
O huwag yung todo formal Kasi ayoko naman nakasuit lahat. Pero smart casual tayo. Meron tayong 360 photo. Meron tayong photo
yung
na
Vogue booth,
napiprint agad. So,
may mirror selfie, rules. So,
I
exciting
have
siya.
him shoot you guys. Actually, if you can message me yung account niya or email, I will send an email directly to him na lang. Oo. Para I can send yung proposal. Para less hassle na rin. Ano yung isa? Saan yung nabasa? Maybe on your next live, talk more about investments and the intricacies for beginners. Okay. Sige, let's find an expert for this. Hanap tayo from the fintech industry or the finance industry para pag-usapan tong business. Kasi I'm not an expert sa area na to and I don't want to claim na expert ako. I can only teach what I know, which is sa intellectual property. So dito, for sure, gawa natin ng paraan to. Hanap tayo ng expert to discuss with us kung paano ba lahat ng patakaran sa investments, contracts, and whatever. In the future nga, naghahanap din ako for construction kasi Maraming nagtatayo ng mga physical stores na mga business. Tapos nagogoyo sila dun sa mga contractor kasi hindi nila alam how to understand yung mga nakalagay doon, yung presyuhan. So, hanap tayo ng expert doon para hindi tayo maggoyo. We know how to read yung ating mga with the contractors. Yan. And we have RK Trisha. Marunong din sa ganyan. Shout out sa iyo. Nandito ka naman sa ano eh. RK.
Yes, yon. So guys, thank you so much. Time check, it's 9:26. So kapag-extend tayo, but thank you so much for joining us in this live session, even if it's a Friday
Super
night.
thank
I
you.
know Friday ngayon, although medyo recovering pa naman lahat ngayon from the typhoon. So alam ko lahat nagpapahinga din. Thank you for joining us in this live session. And we are really hoping, no, na makita kayo lahat. Lalo yung mga umattend dito or manonood nito on the replay sa One Esplanade on November 10, 2024 from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. tayo doon. We're going to celebrate this milestone with you guys kasi kayo to. This is you, our community, why we actually had a 1 year of constant growth. No? Kaya we would want to really celebrate it with you guys. See you there, everyone.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. And
Bye-bye.
have a great weekend.
Happy weekends.
Happy weekend sa inyong lahat.